Welcome to our tutorial on Software Ideas Modeler. Today, we're focusing on mastering selection techniques within the diagram editor. Whether you're working with UML, entity relationship diagrams, or flowcharts, efficient selection methods can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's start with the basics. To select an element in your diagram, simply click on it. This action deselects any other elements and highlights your chosen one. Now, what if you want to select multiple elements? Easy. Hold down the Control or Shift key and click on Additional Elements. You can add as many elements to your selection as needed. But what if you need to select a large group of elements? There's a more efficient way. Click and drag from an empty space to create a selection rectangle. When you release the mouse button, all elements within your selection bounds are highlighted. By default, this includes any element that intersects with your rectangle. For more precision, right-click on the Selection tool in the toolbox. Choose Selection Settings and then Full Containment to select only elements fully within your bounds. Let's explore more advanced options. Head to the Home tab and find the Select drop-down button in the Editing group. Here, we have several powerful options. First, Select All, accessible also via Ctrl-A, selects every element in your diagram. Next, Invert Selection. This is handy for selecting everything except a few specific elements. The Select All of Same Type option, or Ctrl-T, selects all elements of the same type as the currently selected one. With Select Whole Graph, you can select all elements connected to your chosen element and their connections in a cascading effect. To select the parent container of an element, use Select Parent Container, or simply press ESC. Lastly, Select All Nested Elements selects everything within a container, excluding the container itself. And that's it. You're now equipped to select elements like a pro in Software Ideas Modeler. Whether you're designing a complex system or a simple flowchart, these techniques will help you navigate and modify your diagrams with ease. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your diagramming skills.